How to fix the issue where your Lenovo laptop is slow to start up. So if you're trying to turn on your computer and it takes a long time to load up, I'm going to show you two ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and open up the Start menu on your laptop and then just click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Apps, and then click on Startup from the list of options. Now here you'll see a list of all of the applications that automatically start up when you first turn on your computer. Now the more of these you have set to on, the slower your startup time is going to be. So what I'd recommend doing is just going through this entire list and try toggling as many of these as you can to off. As you can see here, mine are already all turned off, and once you've done this, you can close out of this window. Now the second thing you need to do is open up your Start menu, search for Control Panel and open up this window. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select Category. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select Large Icons. Now click on Power Options. Click on the option Choose what the power buttons do. You can then press Change settings that are currently unavailable and make sure Turn on Fast Startup is enabled and checked like this. Once you've done this, you'll need to press the Save Changes button. You can then try restarting your computer, and that should have solved the slow startup time on your Lenovo laptop.